Okay, and we're live. I'm here with my boy Ashdyn, and we're playing Nico.
If I can get this video to 1,000 likes,
Go next spot. And there's a little monster coming for me. And I'm playing with Ashdyn. Say hello, Ashdyn. And what the fuck is that? Stop! He's hideous. Ay. What are you doing? Ay. What are you doing? What are you doing, Will Smith? Hey, look, dance party. Ashdyn, look at the end. Cause we are having a party here.
look, we're literally having a party. No.
No. I'm literally not gonna ruin this party. Looks like it's just you and me. Ay. Looks like he's refused. Well, we're about to be dead. Dead. I'm dead.
It's a mama.
Up.
Literally in the bathroom. Crap. Okay, hold on, please. That's not us. It's the Coke and Dr. Pepper. How did I no clip?
Good, we're safe.
I no clipped it.
No. Someone's coming. Someone's literally coming from us. Obiniga, biganyo, takana. Where's the elevator? I want to go to the back rooms.
Okay, come on.
I'm literally running in a hall. How else am I supposed to run? It's Obama. Oh no! And I literally died due to an infection that someone gave me. Hey guys, it's called the Nico here. Ah! What is that? Ah! Broken bones. Ashdyn, you can talk if you want.
Come to the back.
How? You don't even know. Fucking know. Rocco's just a rock. Rocco isn't alive! Come on over there. My house. Run! I? Come on, come on, come on, I gotta go! I'm dead! I spawned in the bathroom. Where'd you spawn?
Oh, somewhere random.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Come you stupid dog. Come you stupid dog. Take me to the back rooms. Oh, where am I? Hi, how are you?
I'm in the bathroom. Are you in the bathroom too?
No, look, I'm literally right here. I don't know. In the little place I literally got him.
Oh, wow. We're separated, Aiden. That's bad. I can't stay with you. Try getting in the back room, okay?
I can't. All these creatures are in my way.
Got it. I went to a
You're dumb at. You're dumb at. You. All of you bots are dumb.
I'm trying to get to you, Ian, okay?
I'm in here. I'm in the other room. And I know how to escape this room. I know how to escape this room, Ashton.
I'm trying to get to you.
All I gotta do is just go to the other hallway. I wanna go in. I wanna go back. I wanna go back. No. God's sake.
I got in safe.
I got in the back rooms. Where am I? Where am I?
Okay.
Holy failed.
Who is that?
I show speed.
You got put behind me.
And I literally got in without anyone seeing me. And I literally got in without anyone seeing me in the back rooms.
I got safe. Hey, Obama.
Hi, how are you?
Obama.
No.
Obama.
And he killed me.
Oh no, we're not safe. No, safe is safe. Oh no, we're definitely not safe at all. No one is safe rooms, okay? We're separated, okay?
I'm in the one room that has this stuff in it. And it'll literally teleport you here.
Okay, I'll try getting past. Try getting there, okay?
Go through the second door.
I'm gonna go through here. Boom.
I'm literally about to get killed.
I'm coming.
Now you got in. All I need to do is just get me in.
Oh
no, no, let me out.
I'm trying to get to you. We're separated still. Like
there, the second room. Hurry up, Ashdyn! Why is this? Why? Tell me, Ashdyn. Why is this game so creepy?
We're not separated anymore. Or are we? Are we still separated?
Where am I?
You're in one of the rooms.
I'm on the door, right? It should be a door. There should be a door. Open the door.
Okay, I have to go up here.
Don't go in the escalator. No, I'm right here. Look.
Okay,
Look, literally here. Right here.
I want to go.
On a door that has this much doors. 2 doors.
Okay.
Here? No.
It
It should be a hallway. I'm in the hallway. I'm in the back hallway.
Starting to freak me out. Oh. Look. Ooh.
Ashdyn, I'm right here. Oh no, it's going down, Nico. Come on. Get the door open. No, this is not a safe. Hey guys, it's all the go here. Hey guys, let's go.
Okay.
Good, he's safe. Good, I'm safe.
Come in.
Hey guys, it's all the go here.
Are you still? Come on.
I'm going this way. Ashdyn, hurry up, get in the way.
We're in separated.
If you get here, then you'll be safe.
We're trying to.
Hurry up before I die.
I'll be.
Stop funny. I'm not on accident.
Please be lucky. Okay. Right.
And a cold Nico is coming.
Double jump. Try double jumping.
I can't. In this game, there is no double jumping. Hey guys, it's called Nico. It's the creepy woman of death.
We're still separated.
Oh no. Oh.
Okay, I can try getting to you. Where are you? I don't want to be separated anymore. Okay.
I'm in the left room. Hey guys, it's called Nico here. Is that Obama?
I'm coming home. I'm coming.
Was that Obama?
I'm coming.
And I died.
Yeah, probably if we were. Okay. That's probably.
I'm back in here. That's the creepy woman of death.
Trying to get to you, Aiden.
I'm in here. Look.
I'm trying, but. Okay, help me.
No.
You go. Oh!
I'm running in circles.
You'll be perfectly fine.
Ow! Good. Exit. No! No!
I'm dead. I don't want to be separated. I'm really
Dead.
I'm really scared.
I spawned in this room again.
Try getting there.
I can't. It's literally impossible. All these are guarding. I'm here. Behind you. Behind you. Look behind you.
Come on, Ian.
I'm going through the door. Come on, you stupid door, open. Go.
I'm running.
I died.
Oh no, I lost you.
I died.
Go into one of the doors.
I died.
Okay, are you in the back? Okay.
There. The door that opens.
Hold on, wait.
The door's opening. You stupid door, close. The creatures are coming in. Good. Yeah, let's go. closing.
Right.
I'm where the door closes.
Past Obama? Now I'm ready to get you. Hey, good.
I'm right here. I'm glad not to be separated.
Okay, I closed it, okay?
Open the door. I'm trying to beat those badasses up.
Oh no, it's dangerous, eh?
I'll try protecting myself.
Fine. What the man wants.
I'm sorry to have to say this, but I have to be separated. Those were the last words. He decided to take a shortcut in the elevator, but accidentally no-clicked. He was never found again, until 2020. Ashdyn tried to find him, but he couldn't find him until the elevator opened. He decided to open the door so he can find him.
He must be.
He tried to go through the other door.
Oh yeah, my house. Come on.
And then he died after he got out, explored, running from the future, hiding in the inside.
I actually did not respawn.
Me too. So do you want to play Submarine Simulator?
No thanks. My Roblox doesn't want me to play right now.
What?
My Roblox doesn't want me to play right now.
Okay. Thank you all for coming to the live stream. Comment, like, and subscribe. Also subscribe to my brother's channel called Disco. Have fun and bye.